For this problem, to begin, we have that the null hypothesis would be that the mean values for the two groups are equal to each other. mu1 minus mu2 is equal to 0. The alternate hypothesis is the claim that we are testing, that prenatal cocaine exposure is associated with lower scores. So if we have that the children born to the cocaine users would be the first sample in this case, then we'd be testing we'd be testing the alternate hypothesis that mu1 minus mu2 is greater than 0. We have that x bar 1 is equal to, x bar 1 is 7.3, n1 is 190, and s1 is equal to 3. X bar 2 is 8.2,